Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. Today, July 20, 2019, it is 50 years ago man landed on the moon. I thought it would be a great idea to look at some space-related diecast. I'm going to start with NASA, diecast brands that have the license for the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Thank God I looked it up because I thought it stands for North American Space Agency or something. So this first piece is the Space Shuttle. It is by Siku, the German diecast brand. It's got 3 wheels that actually roll. So it has a plastic bottom part, the black, and then the wings here are plastic, and then this is a metal part here with the stop wing. It's got no windscreen. It has the American flag on the left wing and NASA on the right wing. It says United States on both sides. So kind of cool. Funny thing is, they put this in a 5-pack together with police and fire department vehicles. Don't know what that has to do with NASA, but anyways. Next one is a Majorette in a NASA livery. This is the Land Rover 90, 1:60 scale. Got suspension. Got an opening door in the back, plastic door. The rest of it is all metal. And we got this light bar on top. We got this second hand at the collector market. Got a tow hitch also. Then I've got one from my childhood collection. This is a Matchbox. It's the NASA tracking vehicle, 1980 copyright. Metal on metal also. It does not really have suspension, but it drives really smooth. So here on top it says again NASA tracking station. Here the NASA name in front. Got this radar that turns around. It does not turn around while driving, you just have to manually turn it around. But it's still there after all those years, so it's pretty sturdy. And here we got an opening door. It's kind of a RV that is customized to serve as a tracking station. Cool one. Only has tempos on top, nothing on the sides, as you can see. Then we have a more recent Matchbox, the Delivery Express or Express Delivery. This is a 2019 version. The NASA name on the side. It's got the back door that opens up. We got a plastic body and a metal base. And then another Matchbox. This is from 2018. This is the NASA SEV Chariot. (2018) copyright. Plastic base. And the white part here you see is all metal. So it's got a lot of detail molded into the plastic. Golden rims. So we got the NASA globe here and then the American flag. And then again here NASA globe and the American flag and even a door handle. Cool piece. Then we go to Hot Wheels. 2012 Hot Wheels Premiere. the Mars Rover Curiosity. So this has a plastic base, GPL Caltech, it says here underneath NASA. It's hard to see on the plastic. So the white part is metal, except for this camera here that swivels. Got some piping on the side that is decorated. And here we have the NASA globe again, not on the rear, just on the front. Cool piece. Then we go to SpaceX, the Elon Musk space company. It's the Tesla Roadster with Starman in the Hot Wheels Space series. And we also got the 2008 Tesla Roadster and the special Greetings from Space card. First car to orbit the Sun. And I've got these cars loose. So this is the one with the Starman and this is the one without. So they're pretty much the same, these cars, except for the Starman, the left one, and also there is a little Tesla molded into the plastic on the dashboard that is not on this version. So you can see here in the middle there's nothing there, and here there's a little Tesla on the dashboard, just like the actual vehicle that is in space. Also has a Hot Wheels Tesla on the dashboard. And then the last one is a Siku again, and this is in a ESA livery, the European Space Agency. So this is a low loader with rocket, as it says here in the corner. So let's get it out of there. These are very easy to open. Just flip these plastic thingies open and you can get it out. So this is a very heavy piece. All the silver you see is metal. Does not say which type of Scania it is. Just says, well, actually it doesn't say Scania at all, but it is based on a Scania. I thought it said so, but it doesn't. This one, I'm not sure how. Oh yeah, it comes out like that. So here you can look at the details of the truck, the rig. I don't know if they lost the Scania license or what, but the name is not on there anymore. So these connect like this, sideways. And then the rocket is also metal, by the way. Then you can lift this up like that and launch the rocket. I don't know if it, yeah, it has to slide sideways and then it lifts up. So let's take a look at the rocket here. You got the burners or whatever you want to call it. It's got the Siku name here on the little wing, the ESA logo and name. So it's basically two pieces of metal that are joined, and just these burners here at the bottom, those are plastic. So all in all, a very heavy piece. So there you go, that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.